If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, you don't get a special invitation. But anywho, welcome. So today this video is going to be about products that I use on my relaxed hair. Um, I got a relaxer on Halloween of 2022 and it is April 2023. So I've had my relaxer for a little over 6 months. And I got me some clip-ins right now. But yeah, so I've had my relaxer for about a little over 6 months. So I just wanted to show you guys what kind of products I use and stay tuned. So for my wash days, the products that I use that I really like, really like for my relaxed hair is the Kaleidoscope detox shampoo. This shampoo, okay, this shampoo is where it's at. Okay, I love that shampoo. I feel like it gets my hair just really clean. She had this other shampoo, I forgot what it was called. This is the therapeutic restorative hair therapy shampoo, but it was another one. I think it was like in an old bottle. It was clear with the blue shampoo in it, and that had my scalp tingling. Like, it was just so good. And the one thing that I do like about the Kaleidoscope products, especially like the shampoo, is that like it has like a minty feeling to it. So when you're like scrubbing and you're like getting up in there, you just know that it's working. And I feel like for my relaxed hair, it has been doing good. You know, it definitely has been working and has been doing its job. But moving forward, I use the Olaplex conditioner. Okay, this thing, this white thing, this white expensive. I'm talking $30 for this little ass bottle, okay? $30 for that bottle. But let me tell you something, the Olaplex conditioner works for me. It just does it for me, okay? Like, I know that there was like rumors online saying how Olaplex caused like hair damage and it made people's hair fall out and all that other stuff. And that also too is expensive. I mean, $30 for that bottle, that's a lot for a conditioner. You can go to Tresemme and get something half the price. Like, I'm not even gonna front, but it's that good. Like, I'm sorry, it's just that good. Like, it just does something. It does something with my hair. And also too, I feel like because my hair is relaxed, I need that moisture, I need that bond maintenance, I need all the help I can get, because when you do get a relaxer, like, you're kind of like breaking down the molecules in your hair to make it straight, which as a result can cause dryness. So having something like that, having a conditioner like that, is like, it's A1. It's really A1. Another product, yo, this wee thick hair mask is the truth. This product is the truth. Anytime, anytime, you know, my hair just feels a little bit drier than usual, I put that hair mask on. I put on a little shower cap, and I just let it sit in my head maybe for like if I ain't got nothing to do, like absolutely nothing to do, then I would just like have it on for like an hour, 30 minutes to 1 hour, and I would just have it sitting in my hair. Or if I really want like the ingredients to really penetrate my scalp, I go upstairs and I sit under the dryer and do it for like maybe like 10-15 minutes under the dryer, wash it out, boom. Like, that mask. And let me tell you, this hair mask is expensive, but let me tell you, she's worth every single penny. Like, ooh, I don't want to spill it. It's like kind of, how do I, I'm trying like not to spill it, but this is what it looks like. And this hair product, I'm sorry, like it's a little expensive because I got this from Sephora. I got the thick hair mask from Sephora, and I also got my mom got the conditioner from the actual Olaplex site, but Sephora do also sell Olaplex products, including the conditioner. But yeah, that hair mask from my relaxed hair just like it just does something. It just does something to my hair, and I love it. So we are going to move on to the blowout products. We are going to move to the products that I use to blow out my relaxed hair, to keep it soft, to keep it moisturized, and to help maintain that healthy hair. So the first product that I use in my blowout routine for my relaxed hair is the OUAI leave-in conditioner. Let me tell you something about this conditioner. Let me tell you something about this leave-in conditioner, right? So back in February, I was on Sephora and I was shopping, and then I had some bizarre points. So I'm like, okay, like let me see what I can get with these, points. And this. I've seen this in like a little like, listing. And it was so funny because I actually liked this product on Sephora, but because it was kind of expensive, I was like, I don't know if it's gonna work on me. Like, I don't think, I don't want to spend all that money and it not work. So I was like, let me get a little sample size, let me get a little mini size, bro. The truth. This right here is the truth, okay? I will most definitely like this product is expensive, just like the OUAI hair mask. But honestly, I truly see myself getting the full size of this. Look how much I have left. Look, this is like the mini size. A little goes a long way with this too, but look how much I use, bro. Like, I be using this, okay? And anytime I use this blowout, this leave-in conditioner for my blowout, in combination with the OUAI hair mask, like after I put the hair mask in, do the conditioner, and I spray this in my hair and blow it out, my hair be on extra, extra, extra soft. And also too, when I blow out my hair with this, I also don't get like flyaways. Like, how like sometimes, um, how like sometimes like you use, I guess when you blow out your hair, sometimes you have like all like those like strays like sitting up and stuff like that. And even though this isn't, oh, okay, so not only is this a leave-in conditioner, but it's also like a heat protectant. So it's like a two-in-one. And this hair is great for my relaxed hair. At first, I thought it wasn't going to work because like the consistency is thick. Like, how like most leave-in conditioners and most like heat protectants, or even like those two-in-ones are like pretty liquidy, pretty thin. This one is thick, but even though my hair is relaxed, I do have 4C hair, and I feel like with my relaxed 4C hair, it's beautiful. Like, I'm sorry, like it's beautiful, and it's a 10 out of 10. Another product that I use, that I also used when I was natural, is the Organics by African Best olive oil growth lotion. Oh my God. After I come out of the shower, like washing my hair, or after I'm done washing my hair, I use this product in combination with the OUAI leave-in conditioner. Amazing. Product is so good, and I really do feel like it's been helping my hair grow. You know, like I said, when you do get a relaxer, it does make your hair drier. So all the moisture, all of that is just really important. All of that is really, really, really important. And I always make sure that anytime I wash my hair or even style my hair, I always make sure that like my hair gets the moisture that it needs, because it'll cause less breakage, it'll cause less, you know, damage to the ends, you know. And also too, like I want my hair to be strong, you know what I'm saying? Like, doesn't matter if it's relaxed or like natural, I want my hair to be strong. So having this growth lotion is really like the shit. Like, it's just really that good. Another product that I like using before I blow dry my hair sometimes, not all the time, I used to use it a lot when I was natural, but since I'm relaxed, it's a little heavy, so I don't use it all the time. But this Mizani headdress coconut souffle product, yeah, it's a light moisturizing hairdress. This, oh, this be having my hair smooth and moisture. Oh, this gives the moisture, okay? And like, it smells amazing. It smells, you see how thick this is? Like, do you see how thick? Like this is thick. It says lightweight, but I know it's thick. Like, it's really, really thick. And I don't use a lot of it because it's kind of thick. Like, I feel like when I was natural, I can get away with using, you know, like a little more than a dime size piece. But because I'm relaxed, you know, I don't want something that's like heavy to weigh my hair down, especially if I'm gonna wear clip-ins, right? Especially if, you know, I want to get tape-ins, or, you know, I want to get, even if it's like a versatile sewing, I just don't want nothing that like weighs my hair down too much. So, but yeah, that's a good product. This heat protectant spray, it literally says relaxed and natural for dry hair. Like, so it's for relaxed and natural hair. This protectant spray is like my holy grail. Like, Silk Elements gotta go on with this one. Like, they snap on this heat protectant. Okay, this heat protectant, anytime I have leave out, anytime I want to put my hair in a ponytail and I need to, you know, flat iron it to get that sleek, you know, straight look, this is where it's at. And also too, I even use that heat protectant on my wigs, and it's perfection. Like, literally, that heat protectant is phenomenal. Like, I don't think I've ever had a heat protectant like that good. Like, that's the truth. The product that I use after my blowout, Biosilk. That's all I have to say. Biosilk. That's all I have to say. That's all I have to say. Biosilk. Last but not least, to help my hair grow, I use the Vegamour GRO hair serum. This is a water-based serum, and for somebody who likes to wear clip-ins, who likes to wear quick weaves and all that other stuff, having a water-based hair serum definitely is more helpful than a oil base, because, you know, when you use glue, when you mix oil with the glue and stuff like that, like, it can take the tracks out and all that other stuff. And I feel like with the water one, you don't really have to worry too much. Like, obviously you don't want to put water on, like, you know, your bundles and all that other stuff. Like I said before, it is a water based serum, not oil. So when I put it on my edges, when I put it on my scalp, when I put it on my ends, it doesn't feel like my hair is heavy. It doesn't weigh my hair down because it's water based, not oil. But even though I love that serum, I also love the Kaleidoscope Miracle Drops. Let me tell you, this is in a coconut scent. Let me tell you, okay, this is, I don't know what's in this. It must be crack. Like this serum, this oil-based serum must have crack in it, because let me tell you, when my edges were non-existent, I used this like every single day for a month, and my edges grew back. I will put this on my scalp, and I kid you not, my hair was growing. My hair was growing to the point where the Dominican lady who do my hair, she was like, "Oh, your hair's growing, mommy." I was like, "Jessica, I take care of it." Because I take care of it. Like, those miracle drops are really the truth. I honestly feel like the product from Kaleidoscope is really the truth. You know, I mean, I'm not a big fan of their conditioner, because for some reason their conditioner just don't work well with my hair, you know. But the shampoo, oh, the miracle drops, oh, like, it's just, it's phenomenal. Like, it's honestly great. I love those miracle drops. Now that, like, I need to stop saying like, but now that I have like a relaxer in my hair, I don't use the oil-based serum in my hair if I have leave out, because it do kind of weigh my hair. So I use the water-based one. But if I was to put my hair up in a ponytail, you know, or in a bun, I would definitely use that on my scalp, because it's gonna be up, like, it's in a ponytail, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't have to worry about like my hair, you know, feeling heavy and feeling oily. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can get away with using that for my ponytails and my buns and, you know, all that other stuff. But the miracle drops are it. Like, I can't even lie. It's good. And the miracle drops are definitely, I don't even know how much they cost, but I'm pretty sure that it costs less than the Vegamour. I can guarantee you that. Like, look at this. Look at this. Like, these two are like, oh my god, like, I gotta stop saying like, but these two are a part of my hair kit. Like, I don't think I would ever, no matter how long my hair is, no matter how short my hair is, no matter how many wigs I wear, no matter if I put my hair up in braids, I will always keep this in my hair collection. Like, this is a staple, amongst other things. But those two serums, like, it's the GOAT. Like, it be doing it for me. These products, the washing, the blowout, the after, literally all these products work wonders for my hair. It works wonders for my relaxed hair. Also, too, to protect my hair and to, you know, take care of my hair, I also have silk pillowcases, and I do wear a silk bonnet for my hair, so that I can protect my hair and to cause less breakage, you know, from the rubbing and the tossing and the turning. You know how it goes. So that's really it. Thank you guys so much for watching. You know, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You know, if you're relaxed and you have products that you think would be good for me, you know, let me know. Like, speak in the comments, you know, don't be shy. You know, we friends. I mean, this is my world and you're just living in it, but that don't mean that you can't give me advice. You know what I'm saying? So that's it. So bye.